Hello, my name is George Burnett with Fourscore Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a great smoothie. It's called Ashley Valley Number 1. It was actually the number 1 of 50 different juices and smoothies in our juice bar. It's really a pretty simple one. Hope you get your kitchen, gather up the ingredients, and let's go. First, well, it's 6 different ingredients, not too many, okay? And pretty simple, straightforward. So let's go to almond milk. So you could choose the different choices of different kinds of milk. This one we used almond milk, and unsweetened vanilla almond milk you'll find at most all grocery stores. So 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. Easy enough. Okay, 3/4 of a cup of mixed fruit. I like one. This is one we used. It had, you can buy it in most grocery stores now. Kind of a mixed fruit with pineapple, strawberry, bananas, and there you go. Okay, 3/4 of a cup of the mixed fruit. Frozen, okay? I just keep your fruits frozen there. Just, okay, so now we have 3/4 of a cup of ice. Kind of crushed ice there. So you've got 3 ingredients so far, each of them 3/4 of a cup. Almond milk, or you could use coconut milk. A lot of different choices there. This is an organic coconut milk. You find it in a lot of grocery stores as well. 3/4 of a cup of almond milk, of the fruit, and of the ice. Okay? All right, so then I like to use, we had this in our menu, it was 1 tablespoon. Okay, so you don't have to measure it exact. You know, a lot of things in the smoothies don't have to be exact. But there's 1 tablespoon of a Greek yogurt. Then for sweeteners, here's what we used. We used a dried cane juice and 1 tablespoon. Now, your sweeteners, you can choose your choice of the sweeteners. So this one is a dried cane juice. You can buy it in a lot of health food stores, organic dried cane juice, okay? And this has a lot of the minerals in it that a white sugar doesn't have. So back to sweeteners. You could choose not to use any other sweeteners in here. But we did in this recipe, but you could choose to leave out these next 2 ingredients and you're still gonna be fine. But this is organic dried cane juice, and again, it kind of adds some nice flavor to it because it's got all the minerals in here, a little bit more of a kind of a molasses almost flavor. So I like that a lot. And then in the juice bar we used agave, and you could do a 1 count, 2 count, 3 count. A 3 count would be 1, 2, and 3, and that'd be a tablespoon. Now this is going to be a pretty sweet smoothie again. Now those of you that are not doing as much of the sweeteners, back it off or use minimal. It's not going to affect really the blending of this at all. So you could use the agave, pretty good sweetener there, maple syrup, honey, another choice of sweetener, or you could drop the sweeteners out. All right, so there's what we've got. We had really our 3 ingredients of almond milk, and then our ice and our fruit, okay? And then we had the Greek yogurt and our sweeteners of dried cane juice and agave. All right, pretty simple, okay? It's a good one though. Now I'll show you how to do some other add-ins, and I know one of my favorites, but let's first blend this one, okay? And then I'll talk about an add-in that's my favorite here, all right? Okay. All right, and there she is. Okay, nice smoothie. That's a favorite. A lot of people that came into our juice bar. Ashley Valley Number 1, favorite one. That's delicious. Okay, so great one, just like that. Okay. Now you could do an add-in. I'm going to show you an optional ingredient to put into it here. Okay. Now I'm going to blend this again just for a minute. I'm going to put this back into here. Now you wouldn't have to put it back in, but you could have done this in the beginning. But I wanted to show you kind of what that looked like without any optional ingredient added. Now I like to get a protein boost into here, and each one of these scoops. This is a green protein. I'll tell you the ingredients why it makes it green. So that one gives me about 15 grams. That'll give you 15 grams of protein. Now you need about 30. You know, per kind of meal almost, really 30, 3 times a day is kind of the recommendations. So this is 15, so this is really about half of your protein that you need. This is the base of it is rice as well as peas. So it's a vegan, vegetarian, non-dairy, whatever you want to call it there, okay? Now the other ingredients in here, it's kind of a list of them, so I kind of wrote them down. But I really like this one, okay? Now we can kind of get you lined up with this, okay? It's one I use, it's my favorite one. Wheatgrass is in here, alfalfa, Now wheatgrass, but we had that in the juice bar. Fantastic. We had wheatgrass shots. We'll talk about that later. So wheatgrass is in here. See how green? It's kind of, it's a lot of green. As you're going to see, it's going to turn this thing green. Alfalfa, spirulina, chlorella, beet, spinach, barley grass. There's the green drink, okay? Along with then the base of it being rice and with peas. And then a sweetener, tart cherry, as well as some stevia, okay? Not a lot of the sweetener. And again, no dairy if you're kind of going off, not using the dairy. So I think it's a great one. It's my favorite to use. So let's blend that in. Now you wouldn't have to double blend this thing. I'm just showing you. I wanted to show you first without that added in, but I really do protein boosts in all my smoothies now, okay? I mean, that's just, we didn't always do it in the juice bar. It was an optional, but let's take and blend up this. And so we'll just need to blend that for just a minute, just to kind of stir it anyway. So let's just hit it. Okay, you're gonna see it turned it real green. And pour it up again. And here we go. Okay, so now you could do some greens into here on your own. You could do kale, you could do spinach, you could do some things, and we'll be doing those in a lot of the other drinks I show you, okay? Either the juices, juice combinations, juice and smoothies. But I'll tell you what, sometimes it's just really nice to have your greens, wheatgrass and barley grass and beet and alfalfa and those things that are kind of convenient, ready to go. Scoop it and go, okay? So again, that's a great one. So you get your protein. We're gonna be talking about workouts. Now, I've been getting my workouts in with my son, Dr. Neil Burnett, on the exercise side, okay? And feeling fantastic. Loving his workouts. But you'll need to get your protein, keep that muscle mass going, okay? So there it is right there, okay? Ashley Valley #1 with then a green protein drink, okay? Added into it. You could do, I have one also on some of the other drinks, I'll show you this one, and it is just a protein boost without the greens, okay? Now, great smoothie. Now, why would you do the greens? Why would you do fruits instead of just soda pop? I mean, soda pop's a lot cheaper, right? Than doing like healthy, good things for your body. But you're gonna be so much better off. I mean, our goal is to help, here at Fourscore Physical Therapy, is to help you be your best. And you can't be your best unless you've got your health. So we want you to be your best. You gotta stay fit, you gotta be exercising, keeping those muscles, keeping those bones strong, keeping fit. And then you gotta be eating the right foods, the right nourishment, the right power, the right powerful foods, superfoods to stay strong with. And we try and make it as, we'll do both the juices with lots of greens and carrots and apples and kale and cucumbers, and we also do the smoothies. We'll do some combinations. Now, why would you do all this? Because we want you to be healthy, strong, and keep your antioxidants up. Your antioxidants are one of the 4 scores that we'll be monitoring with you in the program. It's measured by this, okay? Take the cap off, this beam of light. So we'll be talking about that later, but anyway, no, antioxidants, that's what I taught is I gave juice seminars all across America. It was antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells from free radical damage, keep you young longer. So that's why you do, healthy smoothies and juices and eating healthy and then staying fit is, yes, keep in shape, keep your antioxidants healthy, the high healthy score, a top zone score is what I want you to get. We call that the A team in the juice bar. We had pictures on the board, on the wall, the A team, and that's really the top zone score, okay? So we'll be talking about this, how you can get measured, keep your antioxidants high. Again, that keeps your cells protected from free radical damage that we're all gonna get. And out there, even if we don't do like crazy stuff, I always said like smoke, which is craziness because it's gonna lead to lots of problems. Massive free radical damage. Well, there you go, there's the drink, okay? Let's review it there real quick. Well, unsweetened almond milk is what I used. You could use the coconut milk, you could choose your choice of milk but that was an unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk. 3/4 cup of ice. Yes, we got the fruit, mixed fruits, yogurt, and then your sweeteners, agave and the dried cane juice. Add in your protein boosts. Cheers. Okay. Great drink. Stay strong. Stay healthy. Live younger longer. Thanks again for watching. Get in the kitchen and make that one. Okay. And I've got lots more for you. We look forward to helping you be your very best at Fourscore Physical Therapy. And it's fourscorept.com. Thanks so much, George Burnett. Thanks now.